This is really ideal for like a workbench environment. It has a charging dock, so you can just set it on that, or if you don't want to use that, you can charge this wirelessly, which is great. All of my phones are wireless chargers, so I have wireless charging everywhere. I can just plop this on and it will charge right up. The other thing I like about this is if you turn it on, you can see it kind of points straight out, but you can actually twist the head like this, and now it's more like your traditional flashlight where it's pointing forward. That's why I think it's great for a workbench. It has magnets on the bottom so you can stick it on anything metal. If you're working on a car or a project and you just need some extra light to help you out, you can do that. The other thing that's nice about this is it has a lot of different functions. So right now it's really dim, but if I press and hold, I can get it to go brighter, and it just kind of cycles through all the brightness levels. Or if I want it even brighter than that, I can double tap, and yeah, now it's really bright. This thing gets pretty crazy bright. It also has a red light, so if you're out at night camping, hunting, or whatever, you can just press and hold, and then you've got this nice red light that you can use. And if you triple tap, it has strobe functionality, so for emergencies, oh man, this is too much. Wow. Yeah, that's bright, has a lot of features. Let's have a closer look. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I usually don't care to show the packaging, but this is pretty cool. I'm actually quite impressed with the packaging for this. So we've got kind of your owl theme here. The unique thing about this is it comes with a charging dock, so you just put that on the desk and then you can put that in. And then the cool thing about the carrying strap is that even though this looks like a fabric strap, this is in fact 2 USB cables. So this is what you can use to charge it. Really kind of a cool, innovative idea here. And if you want to get even more innovative, you can pull this out. So you've got your USB-C to iPhone adapter. Very interesting. So here's a bit of a closer look. So it's got kind of a transparent body. You've got a clip on the back. Here is where the contacts meet to charge. And then to turn it on, you can press that. It says it's locked. If you don't want to use the charging dock, if you can see that you've got your little wireless charging icon, if you got a wireless charging dock, you can charge this wirelessly. So wow, just a lot of cool ways to charge this. You can see we're at 70% right now. And this is not obvious, but when you press the button, it will show a lock icon. It comes locked by default. To unlock it, you click it 4 times. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it is unlocked and the light is on. It will show the level and the battery level. If you want it brighter, you just press and hold, and it's going to cycle through the different brightnesses. So you can see it does get really quite bright, and you can double tap to get even more bright, and triple tap to do a strobe, a triple tap to do a different strobe. And then if you simply just want to turn it on or off, you can do that. And it does have a memory. In the off position, you can double tap and just get it straight bright, and triple tap to go directly into strobe mode. And in the off position, if you want to go into the red light mode, you just press and hold, and now you've got the red light. And once you turn off and on again, it's going to go back to the white light. So quite a bit of functionality, but you kind of have to remember what the clips do. One thing I really like is you can rotate this around, and then you can just kind of use this as a flashlight, or if you want to use it to illuminate something, then you can set it down and point out that way. And I do want to point out that these are magnets as well, so you can just stick this on metal. This is just one of those perfect flashlights that is great to have around the house. You could put this in a toolbox, you could put this with your camping or hunting gear. I'm doing home projects all the time, so I'm always looking for a light that's charged. So I just keep this on my desk. It's always fully charged. It's on the dock. Whenever I need an extra bright light, I just grab it. It's ready to go. Has a lot of cool features, pretty cool and unique design. And this is the only flashlight I've ever seen so far that does wireless charging. I'm sure there are others out there, but I really like that feature.